Miss, what day will it be? What day will it be?
Sunday. It will be Sunday. The Sunday after the midterm holiday. So guys, again, the quiz will be on Sunday after the midterm holiday. You have, again, your quiz organizer. Go also check it just to make sure. And what else? Yes, you have all the worksheets with the model answers on the SMS, except for the worksheet we will do today. I will upload, of course, the answers after we finish. You will have all, inshallah, the study sheets uploaded by tonight. So you guys, yes, I will inform you once I upload them. I will put a post on the Facebook group, the PIS International. You will see a post telling you guys that everything is ready on the SMS, so you can go and check it. Also, the details of the quiz will be all uploaded, inshallah. Okay. Okay, يا شباب.
Okay.
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 Okay,
everyone.
Miss.
So just let me take the attendance, and then we will go through the worksheet. It's on chapter 3. You guys, again, the quiz will be on the 3 lessons. Okay, again, all the details will be on the SMS. Yes?
Miss, today we will take a new lesson or no?
No, we will do.
No, revise.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, just let me take the attendance first. Okay, let's start with the first question. Okay, we have Selim. Do we have Selim with us?
Yeah.
Yes, Selim. Okay, guys, if I called your name and you don't answer, that means you just took the attendees and just left. And that's it. You don't care about the session. So you will be considered absent. So be careful about this. Okay, Selim. Now, number 1, can you read the question and answer it, please?
Okay. Sedimentary rock turns into metamorphic rock through which process?
Metamorphosis,
Oh,
compaction and sedimentation, heat and pressure, melting. Be careful with this question. I know you're smart. You will answer it, but just be careful. Huh? It's easier than you think. I didn't hear you, Slim. What did you say?
I said C.
C. Well done. Yes, heat and pressure. Well done. Thank you so much. Because here he said metamorphic rock. It turned from sedimentary into metamorphic. So it turns by heat and pressure. Okay. Thank you so much, Slim. Okay, Ziad is not here. Yusuf al-Naqib.
Yes.
Yes, Yusuf. Can you answer number 2? Okay. Igneous rock turns into sediment through which process? So the igneous rock will turn only into sediment. It's not sedimentary rock yet. It's just sediment, small pieces of rocks. So is it by weathering and erosion, melting, compaction, cementation, or heat and pressure?
Cementation.
See? Are you sure? I just said it's not a rock yet. It's only small pieces of rocks. It's still sediment.
Weathering and erosion.
Weathering and erosion. See? The questions are easier than you think, guys. Just you need to focus and read them well. Okay? Thank you so much, Yusuf. Okay, Amr. When I say compaction and cementation, in this case, yeah, Yusuf, now they became a rock. They are solidifying and becoming
Miss, they
rock.
are igneous rock?
Which question?
Okay. Thank you. Question 3. Like, Miss, I am confused because cementation, like I'm
Is this
confusing. This is Uday that is asking.
Okay, Uday, just wait till we answer the question. Are you talking about number 3 or number 2?
Number 2.
Number 2, igneous rock. The one about igneous rock. Igneous rock turns into a sediments through which process. So this means that this igneous rock will become small pieces of rocks, which we call sediment. What process does that?
Erosion and weather.
Yes. What is confusing about the question now?
Because The word cementation also.
Okay, cementation here, this word, happens when it will become a rock. يعني the sediments, these small pieces of rocks now will be compact or pressed together and cemented, glued. They will become a rock now. But did he say
Yeah.
that the igneous rock became a rock? A sedimentary rock? No, he says sediment only. So it didn't become rock yet. Okay?
It
Okay.
only said some sediments.
Yes.
Did
So is it
they?
understood now, Ade?
Yes, yeah, miss.
Okay, Amr, now it's your turn, number 3.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Can you read the
Sedimentary rock
question? Huh.
turns Sedimentary rocks turns into magma through which process?
Yes.
Weathering and erosion, melting, heat and pressure, compaction and cementation.
Cementation, yes. Huh.
Cementation. Melting.
Melting. Well done. Thank you so much.
Miss, but there's something I don't understand
Mhm.
this lesson.
Miss, it must be
The
melting and
compaction.
Guys,
solidification.
Amr is talking. Why are we talking without
Okay.
permission? Give him a chance. Yes, Amr.
What I don't understand is compaction and cementation.
Well, it's pressing, being pressed. Compaction here mean being pressed. You know, when the sediments, they make layers and layers. Do you remember this?
Yes.
Yes, these layers keep pressing on each other. That's what we mean by compaction. They are pressing each other, and when they start pressing, they will be cemented or glued. Glue يعني هيتلزقوا في بعض, cemented from the
This
word
is after
after weathering and erosion. This is after weathering and erosion and deposition. After those 3 things.
Okay.
Okay. Once they are cemented together, that means they are now will become
Sedimentary.
solid and they will become sedimentary rock. Is it understood now?
Yes.
Okay,
Can I
hope
talk?
so. Yes.
Can I talk now?
Yes,
It
Tanahi.
must. It must be melting and solidification. Like
Well, he
only
didn't say that it became an igneous rock yet. It said it just turned into magma. Did he say that it solidify?
no,
Did it say it became an igneous rock?
no.
When it says it becomes an igneous rock, Yatanahi, then it will be melting, solidifying. But here he only said magma, so it's still a liquid thing. But well done. This is an amazing question. Thank you so much, Tanahi. Thank you for asking these good questions. Okay, now we have Mamdouh. Mamdouh is next. Mamdouh is not here, right? He didn't join today. I hope he's okay. Now Hannah Sultan or Hannah Wael. Do we
Yes,
still
Miss
have
Nahar.
Hannah? Okay, Hannah. Would you like to answer number 4, Hannah?
Okay,
Okay. Can you read it? Or do you want
of
me to
course,
read it for you?
I can read.
Okay. Well done.
Metamorphic rock turns into igneous rock through which process
Compaction and cementation, heat and pressure, melting and solidification, weathering and erosion. Huh? It's easier than you
me,
think, Hannah. It's easier than you think. Metamorphic will be igneous. How can it will be igneous? Huh?
me,
Heat and pressure?
yes,
Well, heat and pressure are the conditions that makes up the metamorphic rock. But to turn into igneous rock, the metamorphic needs to melt first to become melted rocks or magma and then solidify or become hard rocks. And then we can call it igneous rock. Do you get it?
yes, D,
See, حبيبتي, it will be melting and solidification. Can't you see the choices? Hannah, weathering and erosion are the process that helps any rock to become sedimentary rock. Where have you been all the previous sessions?
I was on a vacation.
You were on a vacation?
Yeah,
Were you okay?
yes,
Okay, Hannah, but يعني go watch the previous sessions بقى to get ready for the quiz. Okay?
okay.
Okay.
I'm
Tanahi,
sorry.
Tanahi, can you see now the difference in the 2 questions? Now you see? Now you see
Yes.
why we picked melting only in the previous one, and the next one we
You know why?
melting and
Because miss
solidification.
you that is the rock is not cool. Do not cool it to say about it solidification.
You're talking about question number 3, right?
Yes, and
Yes.
number four, like why we do not say like solidification because it is like still melting, not cool.
You mean in question
Cooled,
number 3 or number
like
4?
no in four and three. The different. Like why is the different in this and this?
You're asking a question, Yauday, or you're answering the question? I really don't get you. Huh?
Answering,
You're answering.
answering
Yes.
this.
You're saying why we choose melting in number 3 and why we choose melting and solidification in number 4.
Yes, I think
Yes. Okay. Now I understand. I thought you were asking a question.
no.
Okay, thank you, Oday. Yes. So we picked melting because here he didn't say that it became rock. He only mentioned magma, like Oday said. So it means it's still melting. But in number 4, it turned directly into igneous rock. So that means it now melted and solidified. Thank you so much, Oday. Number 5, we have Tanahi. Guys, you can see the
example,
names, so please try to be ready. You can see the names. Who's next? So try to be ready.
an
Tanahi.
example of sedimentary rock is sandstone.
Okay, an
It's
example
easy.
of sedimentary rock is sandstone. Well done. Yes. Marble
Is
is
It's metamorphic.
metamorphic. Granite is also, and obsidian are
Igneous.
both
igneous.
igneous rocks. Yes, you can see these examples in your textbook. So make sure you know the examples from the textbook, ya shabab.
Yes, I
Okay?
am studying from it.
Yes, well done. Well done, everyone. Okay, Amgad is next.
In
Amgad.
order for a metamorphic rock to form, it needs
In
heat and
order for
pressure.
a metamorphic rock to form, it needs
Heat and pressure.
heat and pressure. Well done. Not pressure only, not heat only. It needs both of them. Weathering is not actually in the metamorphic rock.
Sedimentary.
It's one of the processes that makes sedimentary. Well done, guys. Okay, Malak is next. Malak, can you read the question number 7? Malak?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, can you read the question number 7 and try to answer it, please?
Which rock type is characterized by having large or small crystals?
Yes. Is it the metamorphic rock?
Igneous?
Igneous rock, sedimentary?
No.
Yes, well done. Igneous rock. Actually, the one he's showing to you in the picture here, this is an igneous rock with big crystals. That means it is intrusive igneous rock. It took a long time for it to cool down, so it took a long time for it to form a crystal. Like, can you guys imagine why having big or small crystals? It's like, cooking a meal, okay? And if you're cooking this meal so fast, it will not be good enough, right? It didn't take enough time to be nice and delicious.
No.
But imagine if you're giving it the time it needs. In this case, it will be with big crystals. Yes.
Miss No, can I say something?
Yes, all day.
Miss, why? Like I know that it's igneous rock, but why we do not use metamorphic rock?
Because the metamorphic rocks mostly have layers. يعني they mostly have layers or no crystals at all.
Oh no.
يمي ده.
Yes.
متخلصة قولي لي.
Okay. I think someone is talking to us.
Yes, يوسف النقيب. يوسف النقيب.
Yes, I will just mute him. So Uday, when I mention crystals, ya Uday, that means it's igneous rock. But the layers are mentioned in both the sedimentary and metamorphic. But mostly they are in the sedimentary rock because metamorphic rocks have sediments, but they have layers, but they are not that much.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me well?
Yeah.
Yes, because he's mentioned
Yes, miss.
my
Yes.
internet connection is unstable, so I hope you can hear me well. Okay, can you guys hear me well?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have Habiba. Habiba is next. Guys, we have Sabine, Yasin Istadat, Yasin Duaini. So you know who's next. Try to be ready, please. Okay, Habiba.
This rock was another type of rock that was heated and compressed over time. What type of rock is it? Metamorphic.
Yes, it was heated and compressed over time. So compressed here is another word for pressed down or pressure. Well done. Yes,
Yeah.
it's metamorphic. Thank you so much, ya Habiba. Now let's move to number 9. Do we have Sabine with us? Sabine? Sabine? I think she left. Or she's maybe will join again. Yasin Sadat.
Here I am.
Okay.
This rock was formed by smaller pieces of rock that was settled at the bottom of a lake millions of years ago. What type of rock is this?
Mm-hmm. What's it called?
Sedimentary.
Sedimentary, yes. How do I know it's
Because when it was
sedimentary?
formed in a river, second,
in a
because it
river,
was
because
from
the
smaller
water.
pieces of rock, and
Yes.
third, that it made this as a mutation and something.
Well done. Yes, because first, well done, Yasin, and well done, Oday. Thank you, guys. Because first he said smaller pieces of rock, and he said settled, which means deposited, which is one of the steps through which sedimentary rock is made. And he said, and he with a picture too, you can see this is actually conglomerate. It's a type of the sedimentary rock. Well done, Yasin. Said that. I hope you're okay because you sound a little bit ill.
Thanks.
I hope you're okay.
I'm ill, but not that much, yani.
I hope you will be fine to enjoy the holiday.
Okay.
Okay, we have Yasin Duaini now. Yasin Duaini?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Yasini. Can you read number 10?
The term igneous rock means
Yes, the term
firestorm.
igneous. He didn't say rock, but it's okay. Well done anyway. Yes, he said the term igneous means to change, to become layered, yani to have layers, or to fire formed or dark
Fire for
colored. Fire formed. Well done.
fire
Yes.
for
Igneous itself
because
means fire.
it's made of magma.
Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Yasin. So it's fire formed. Well done. Thank you so much. Now we have 11, Kinsey.
Yes.
Yes, Kinsey. Can you answer number 11? Can you read it and answer it?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
The word texture, weathering, sediment, or erosion is
Mm.
given when it is broken down into smaller pieces.
Yes.
هو قصده the action itself ولا the thing itself when it's broken down?
Well, that's nice. It's actually confusing. But here he said it's given when it is broken down into smaller pieces.
So
So
the
he
rock
didn't say
itself?
smaller pieces only. He said broken down. So I think he's talking about the process in here.
Is B?
Yes, weathering. I think he's here talking about weathering being broken down. He's still talking about the process because sediment means small pieces of rocks. So sediments are already small pieces of rocks. Okay, but here he's saying it's broken down. So it's kind of still in the process. He's still in the action. Okay, do you
Okay.
guys think something else?
No, I made it withering.
Okay, well done. Thank you, Kenzie. Thank you so much. Mustafa, I don't think we have Tito with us today. Mustafa or Tito. I don't think we have them. Yes. Okay, Shlok. Shlok didn't join.
Yep.
Yes, he didn't join even after saying. Okay, Hannah Halawa. Hannah Halawa is not with us also.
No.
Not here also.
Yes, so it means
Triple.
Isil is next. Isil. Isil
I think
Fahle.
it's you.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Isil. Can you read and answer number 12?
Okay. The process by which sediment is moved from one place to another can be caused by water, wind, ice, and gravity. Erosion.
Erosion, yes, well done. The process of moving from one place to another, it's called erosion. But settling down, it's the depossession then. Okay. Thank you so much, Isa. Thank you so much. Okay, Omar is next. I said Omar was absent, so we have Reem. Reem.
Reem is join now.
Well, she is here, but she's I hope she's not having a problem with her mic. Reem, can you answer this question? I don't think she can. I hope you can hear us, but I don't know what's wrong with your mic. So when you come back, you can answer any questions. Auday?
Yes, yeah, miss.
Yes, Auday. Can you read and answer number 13?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What two process make sediment?
Yes.
Weathering and erosion.
Well done. I was just going to say the question is answering itself. He just said two process, so he kind of like, gave you the answer in the question. So it says
Yes.
weathering and erosion. Well done. Thank you so much, all day. Thank you so much. Guys, we have now 10 minutes and we still have 2 pages. I hope we can finish them in these 10 minutes. Okay, Asig? Asig?
Yes.
Yes, Asig. Can you read and answer number 14?
True or false? Igneous rocks form from sediment. Um, false.
False. Yes, well done. What forms from sediments are the sedimentary rock, while igneous rocks form from melted rock or magma. Well done, Asa. Thank you so much. Now we have Hamid. Do we have Hamid with us?
Yes.
Yes, Hamid. Okay. Can you read and answer number 15, please?
Okay. Rocks that form when minerals form from solution
Solutions
and
or sediment?
or sediment. For older rocks get pressed and
Cemented together.
cemented together.
Cemented together. Huh.
Igneous rock.
Igneous rock. Did he mention magma or melted rocks in here?
No, I'm sorry. Sedimentary.
Sedimentary rock. Because he mentioned sediments up there. And he
Yes.
mentioned also pressed and cemented together. I'm sorry, guys. I just sneezed. Okay. So it's sediment and pressed and cemented. Both are the answers. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes. Would you like to answer the next question? Because you didn't get this. Oh, you get this right. We can consider it right. Well done anyway. Thank you, Hamid. Thank you so much.
Please, can you go up a little bit?
Okay. Guys, the answers will be uploaded tonight. So don't
Okay,
worry.
thank
You don't have to take the answers. You don't have to write them down. Okay, Abdurrahman Khalid is not with us today. Yassine Hisham. Yassine Hisham.
Miss, I'm checking to myself.
You what? You're checking? Okay. But just we need to move on because we have less than 10 minutes. Yassine Hisham.
Yes, miss.
Yes, can you read and answer number 16?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is the process by which water, wind, ice, and changes in temperature break down rock into fragments called sediment. This erosion.
It's what?
Erosion.
Erosion, are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes. Did he say transport it from one place to another or move it from one place to another?
No.
No. He said but wind, water, and ice will break the rocks into sediments. So it's the breaking down process. What do we call the breaking down process, Yassine? When rocks breaks down.
Weathering.
What?
Weathering.
Weathering, yes, well done. So it's not erosion. Erosion means these sediments بقى, the one that was broken down, will move from one place to another. And depossession means that these sediments will now settle down and make layers. But weathering is the breaking down process. Thank you so much, Yassine. Now we have Zain. Do we have Zain with us? It's okay, Yasamin. Do we have Zain with us? Zain? No? Muhannad? Muhannad is not with us. Nuhan? Nuhan? Nuhan?
Miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, Nuhan. Can you read and answer number 17?
A natural mixture of minerals is called A/N. Rock.
Rock, yes, because we call rock a mixture of minerals or mineral mixture. Thank you so much, Nurhan. Okay, now we'll start all over again. Selim? Or to help this one, I think we should pick something else. Maybe we should pick the spinner now, so to make a change. Because now everyone answered. So we have the spinner now. Okay, Mustafa is not here, so let me pick someone else. Okay, Mamdouh also is not here. He's picking those who are absent, I think.
Maybe
Okay,
he
Hannah Halawa is
knows.
also absent. That's strange.
What?
No. Okay, no. Guys, I will move through these questions. I will answer them myself. Number 18, it says, is the series of process in which rock changes from one type to another. So he's talking about continuous process. What do you think the answer will be?
Rock cycle.
Rock
Rock
cycle.
cycle.
Yes, well
Rock
done.
cycle.
Okay, it's going to be rock cycle. Now number 19, what step changes sediment into sedimentary rock? So it's all the choices except erosion or erosion, compaction, sedimentation. What step changes sediment into sedimentary rock? It's supposed to be pressed
Cementation.
down and cemented.
Cementation.
So it
Cementation.
will be all choices except erosion, ya shabab.
Yes.
Yes, cementation and compaction, being cemented and pressed, both of them. Cementation.
Didn't say step. It said one step only.
And Miss, can you make the wheel again?
He said what step? Okay, maybe he should have said what steps. But it's still the third one. All choices except for erosion. All the sediments need to be pressed and cemented together in order to become sedimentary rock. Okay.
Deposition.
Now, number 20, the process by which sediments come in rest in water. Yes, that's right.
Yes,
When they
it will
settle
be
down, it will
deposition.
be deposition.
Miss, can I ask something?
Yes, you can ask something.
Can you go, Miss, to the first page?
To the first page. Yes, here it is.
Yes.
What's wrong with the first page?
Nothing. I want to. Okay, and the second page also, because I want to check my answers.
Okay, but I have to move faster because we have less than 5 minutes. We have only 3 minutes.
Okay, Miss.
I said all the answers will be uploaded, ya shabab. All the answers will be uploaded. Type. What I need you now to do is to do this at home. Okay?
I do it.
It's
I
so
did it.
easy. We can start with this one here.
I did
So
it
those are
Yes, I sent it to you, my homework. This one.
okay. I will check.
But
I will check
confused
them. I will check
from
the
something.
messages.
I
But you guys
confused
just need
from
to
something.
do this.
understand this picture.
It's a rock cycle.
Okay,
Didn't
but Miss,
understand.
we
Yes,
don't
I
So
did.
here he's starting. You can start with what you can see, obviously. So you can
This is the lava.
Sediments.
you can
This
see you can
sediments.
see here sediments. Okay.
Yes,
For example, here we can start with the sediments. Just let me get the pen ready. Okay. So this one will be sediments.
Okay.
So what comes after sediments?
Sedimentary rock.
Exactly. So
Sedimentary
this is sedimentary rock.
It comes from metamorphic.
Miss, but I do not make the metamorphic rock because I don't have many lines to write.
It's okay. You can write outside the line. Okay. In here, guys, obviously this is magma. It's something else.
Magma, it
So
will be
this one
igneous rock.
will be magma, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what comes after magma? It's
Igneous rock.
igneous rock. Well done. So we're only left with
Yes.
metamorphic
Metamorphic rock,
rock, which will be this one.
Miss, here's the upper arrow that between the sedimentary rock and the sediments.
Yes.
What is it?
Here, guys, you will write weathering, the process بقى. Weathering and erosion. Guys, the meeting will end soon, but just I will try to move fast. Weathering and erosion.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. In the one between metamorphic and igneous rock, you're supposed to write here melting.
Miss, that
Yes.
the arrow that from the igneous rock the magma is what?
Yes, from the metamorphic or the
No,
igneous,
from
it will be,
igneous
yes,
to magma
from the melting, from the magma to igneous, it will be solidify
or
or
cooling.
cooling down. Let's say cooling down. Okay, guys, if the meeting ends, you can come back again or you find answers on the SMS. But from the igneous to magma, it will be melting.
Miss, can you download answers today, please?
Habib, I said I will upload the answers on the SMS today, so do not worry, guys. You will find all the answers. And still, if you have any questions, you can send it to me. From the igneous to
Okay, Miss.
metamorphic, it should be heat and pressure.
Heat and pressure.
Yes. Okay. Well done, guys. And
And
from
the heat
igneous to
from
sediments, it will
sedimentation
be